Previous video we saw how to access the storage accounts by using the access keys. So in this video we are going to see how to access the storage account by using the shared access signature, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get into the storage account and just drag down a bit. You could see the shared access signature. Click on the shared access signature and you could see the shared access signature is a URL that grants restricted access rights to your Azure storage account or resources. Right? So you can select any of the allowed resources. If you just wanted to only for blob, you can just select blob and you can just remove queue and table. So for the time being, I'm just using only blob, and allowed resource types is service, containers, and objects. I'm just selecting. And what are the permissions that you wanted? Suppose any third party who wanted to access your data, if they are going to just only read your data, you can do remove the unwanted permissions. You can just uncheck the write option, delete option, add, and create. So they can just only read your data from the container and they can list the data. So they can't write it and they can't even delete the data. And start and expiry date. So you can even set and start and end date for a particular third party to access your blob containers. So post the end date, the access token becomes unavailable, so unauthorized, right? So I'm just giving 1 day of access period and allow protocols. So even you can whitelist few of the IPs, only these particular IP addresses should be able to access the containers. You can even provide certain allowed IP addresses, and also you can select the allowed protocols HTTPS or HTTP and even both, right? So, and what kind of signing key that you're allowing? Are you going with the key 1 or with the key 2? I'm just going with my key 1, account key 1, and generate the shared access signature connection string. Okay, so once you generate it, you could see the connection string has been created and then the SaaS token is created. Okay, so this is the specific for your blob SaaS URL. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take this connection string and to try to access the particular storage account in the Storage Explorer. So I'm just going to copy this connection string. I go to the storage account, connect it, click on the storage account, connection string, click on next, and provide your connection string here. Just a second, let me go back. Enter the connection string here and the display name. Click on next and then connect it. So you could see your account has been connected with the shared access signature, and you have the blob containers, file shares, queues, and tables. Go to the blob container. So I have two containers created. I have demo1 and then test01 created. So I have my dummy.html file here. So now we have given the limited access to this container, right? So I will not have an access to delete the files or the container from here. So let me try to delete and see. So I'm just going to click on the delete file. So let's see whether it is able to delete or not. Click on S and you could see here failed to start delete, insufficient credentials. So you would not be able to delete any of the files in the container because we have been provided only with the certain privileges to this account with the shared access signature. Okay, so this is how the shared access signature works. So only the people who wanted to read only the data, they can do it, but they would not be able to do any stuff other than reading your contents from your container. So that much effective the shared access signature works. So concluding it, so we have seen how to create the storage accounts from my earlier videos, and then how to create or how to access the containers with the access keys provided by the key 1 or key 2, and then we have seen how to access the storage account by using the shared access signature. Thank you for watching.